Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can schedule emails in Zoho Mail. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you are logged into Zoho Mail, and once you're logged in, you will click New Mail, which is right here, so that you will be able to compose your mail. And now you will just have to enter your recipient, your subject, and then your message body, and then you will just have to click the arrow next to send, which is right here, send later. And then what you will have to do is basically just have to choose you'll just have to choose the of date and time that you want the email to be sent. And then after that, you will just have to click schedule again, or recurring, and then you can view or edit scheduled emails under the outbacks, which is right here. And then you will see a schedule for the folder here. And that's basically just it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much and have a good day.